Why your iPhone got disabled. When you enter the wrong passcode multiple times, your iPhone locks itself for security reasons. After 10 failed tries, you'll see iPhone is disabled and a prompt to connect to iTunes. In today's video, I'll show you how to unlock a disabled iPhone. Method 1. Unlock disabled iPhone using iTunes or Finder. The first method is using iTunes. You can use Finder on your Mac as well. If you've synced your iPhone with iTunes or Finder in the past, this will be straightforward. Connect your iPhone to the computer it was last synced with. Open Finder or iTunes and select your device when it appears. Click on Restore iPhone in the summary panel. Confirm that you want to restore. This will reset the device to factory settings, erasing all content. Method 2. Unlock disabled iPhone using iCloud. If you don't have access to a computer, you can use iCloud, provided Find My iPhone is enabled, on any device. Go to iCloud official website and sign in with your Apple ID. Select Find My from the options. Select the disabled iPhone from the list of devices. Here we select the disabled iPad. Select Erase this device to wipe the device remotely. Enter in the Apple ID password and verification code if it requires, and then confirm your choice. Method 3. Unlock disabled iPhone using MagFone iPhone Unlocker. To quickly and safely unlock disabled iPhone without any password, it is suggested to use MagFone iPhone Unlocker, which is a professional iPhone unlocking tool to help you unlock iPhone screen. Remove MDM, or turn off screen time, and remove Apple ID. Now let me show you how to use MagFone iPhone Unlocker to unlock disabled iPhone. Run the MagFone iPhone Unlocker, and connect your disabled iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Select the Unlock iOS screen option, and click Start button to proceed. Put your iPhone in DFU or recovery mode. After that, click Next button. Download the necessary firmware package to unlock disabled iPhone. Once the firmware is ready, click Unlock button. MagFone will begin unlocking the disabled iPhone.